Hello everybody, this is Tina with Tia's Treasures, and today I have day 10 of the Spellbinders Craft-o-Ween. So let's open this up and see what we've got. Just got a couple spiders and some crystals and flowers on the outer card of this, and on the inside we have Stay Spooky. We have a little skull flower with bat wings for leaves. Okie dokie. Well, let me stew on it and see what I can come up with for a floral Halloween card. Okay, for this card, I have an orange piece of cardstock that I glued on a top folding white card base. And we are going to make our little flower here. I don't think it's going to be too much more different than what they show here. I have a piece of pattern paper that has these little, that's like trees, but I figured that is plant-like enough for us to go ahead and have that here as our background. Let's pop it up. Why not? We'll pop this baby up. You know, at least it's something. We'll pop you up here. And hopefully I will get this right for a change. Putting on foam tape is not, you know, something that I do really well. And I think, yes, look at that. We have like not enough space for a whole nother piece, but we have enough space for a half a piece. So let's go ahead and I'm going to cut this piece in half here and hope I get it down the middle. I'm using some non-stick scissors, so it's not too bad. I'm going to put that there, put that off the side. I will end up using that eventually. Okay, and now let me just let's see, none of those really show from the back too much. Let me go ahead and peel the release off of all of them if I can. Come on. I like peeling the release off these long strips. It's kind of satisfying. I don't know why. If it comes off well. Don't see that happen too often, where it just kind of rips halfway. And lastly, come on. Okay. Well, let's get this on straight. And right about there, I hope. Good enough. Yep. Now let's put this flower together. We've got a little bit of an indentation so we can see what goes where. Not that that has ever stopped me from screwing it up before. Oh yeah, this needs to be poked out. It's a good thing I noticed that, because we have a black piece of cardstock that goes right there on the bottom. It's this little piece here. And if I'd glued this skull down first, we'd have been like SOL. We'd have had a purple smile, which probably wouldn't have been the end of the world, but it's not the look we're going for. Now we have a little skull. Now my little skull, I used a cream colored piece of cardstock instead of white, because I always think that a little cream color looks a little bit better for like skulls than white. It's like more true to life. Yeah, we're going to be true to life on this flower that has nothing to do with nature whatsoever. But anyhow, I still think the cream color looks a little better than the white. Now try to figure out exactly. Okay, follow little pieces on here, or the little outline to where that goes. The outline is bigger than our skull piece. How about that? It's like goes down here all the way around. Our skull piece is not that big, but we've put it in the middle, and I'm using the same color little flowers for the eyes. We've got little pupils too. I guess I could have used a different color for the eyeballs, or irises, or whatever you want to call these, but yeah, I thought it would look good matching our little floral petals. And I thought a lighter purple would go better on here than a darker purple. I wanted to make sure it could be seen. If you're going to go through all the trouble of like doing a die cut, you might as well make sure it can be seen on the background. And right, let's see, I want to make sure that gets into the little imprint well. Why is this flower being a little bit, it's not cooperating. I know you think I'm being funny, but it's just this flower here was not fitting into the little indentation that the die had. Oh wow. Okay, now we're going to put in the little pupils, if I can get them. Little pupil, come on. And is there a right way and a wrong way? I don't think so. There's just little round dots. I'm going to put these right in the center. And we got one more. This is kind of cute. I don't think I've ever seen like a floral skeleton before, so kudos to Spellbinders for thinking up original things. Oops, that one came right off. Come on, go back down there again. I don't know why that came off. My fingers aren't really have anything sticky on them. Oh, come on, and now it's not in the center. Of course, when I wanted it to come off, when I wanted it to stay stuck, it did not. And now when I want it to move a little bit, it's not. Oh well, it's where it is. It didn't stick down the first time, but the second time it sure did. And I'm not doing it over because it's kind of cute. Let's put this stem on first before we put the little bat wing leaves on. And you can go right about there. Yes. And our little bat wings. Doesn't matter which way these go on. I don't think it does. I think we'll put just a little glue on the side and put you right here. And we're going to do the same for the second one. I went ahead and I heat embossed and cut out Happy Halloween instead of Stay Spooky like it says there. I kind of like the just Happy Halloween a little better because I really don't think this flower is too spooky. I guess if you saw a flower that looked like this in real life, it might be a little spooky. But for our cards, Happy Halloween is the sentiment I wanted. Okay. So let's figure out now where we are going to put these. I'm going to put this, because this is going to be over, I think, our floral there. And should we pop this up? We're going to lay the floral flat, but I think we're going to pop up this. And let's see, is this are we able to use this one that we cut? It's just a little too wide in spots, I think. Let's see, it's fine there. And yeah, that'll work. We'll just have to cut off a little bit of it. Okay. I could have used black foam tape, but this white foam tape was there, so that's why we used it. Well, let's glue our floral first. This is going to be a quick card, I think. So if you like this card, please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it. If you're not a subscriber, I'd love to have you. And if you are a subscriber, thank you. And even if you're not, if you made it to the end, thank you so much. And let's just put this kind of right there. We want our moon still to kind of show a little bit. So this is going to be a little off center. And then we're going to put our Happy Halloween right over it. Come on now, I got glue on here, so stick down. Stick down, stick down. Should I put a little white in the eyes? Do you think that'll make it look nice? And we're going to put that right there. Happy Halloween. My tweezers wanted to stick to my watch there. This is magnetic, my watch band. I could stick all my dies there and have them right at hand, but I don't think that's the look I'm going for. And why this glue is having a little bit of trouble sticking to this background, which is a little slick. So you gotta almost like press it down and wait for it to dry. And let's see if my gel pen, if it works. That one doesn't work. Not at all. Probably should throw it away. This one, this is another 10. Now this one works. So let's just put a little dot there and a little dot there and maybe a little bigger dot. There we go. And throw away the bad Jelly Roll pen because that one doesn't work. And now, should we put any sequins on here? Let's take a look. What color? Purple, maybe? A few purple sequins. I think there's some black sequins on the back trying to sneak in again. They're very sneaky, those black sequins. I don't know why. They just want to be on the card. Okay, so we got purple, 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 another purple right here, and come on, right down, if I can get it right side up to where the cup is up, right down there. I think that's going to be what we put on the card. Okay, let's go for it. Move these out of the way so I don't flip them. We got one sequin and it jumped. It didn't want to go where I wanted to put it. This little sequin by the bat and by the moon. And here we go. Well, I hope you like these. Look at that. That was 2 sequins again. I hope you liked my card. Please leave me a comment and let me know what you think. And that's a black sequin right there that tried to sneak in. They keep trying to do that on me. I think this is a purple one. I'm just going to have to use black sequins maybe on my next card so they feel like appreciated and don't keep trying to sneak in. So this is my card for day number 10. I hope you liked it, and I will see you tomorrow. And that's it for now, everyone. Bye-bye.